Okay, so now I got all of my pieces cut out, and you see? So that's what the interfacing is going to do. The interfacing is going to make this part stiffer, okay? So you see how, like right now, it'd be a floppy hat, but you're going to cut double the pieces because you want to have it on top and bottom. So I need to get the paper from the dollar store. And when I get the paper from the dollar store, y'all see how the hat would be? It would be a stiffer hat. When I get the interfacing and stuff and iron it on and sew it together. So as you can see, you'll wind up with two of these for the top. So you sew them together and your interfacing to go in. That's going to make it stiff. And when you sew it together, you're going to wind up with two of these. So I got it folded together. So interfacing is going to go in here to make this stiffer. And then you'll wind up with the brim. I hate this squeaky floor. And then you're going to wind up with two of these. So you need the interfacing and that cardboard paper because that's what's going to make your hat stiffer. So it's going to give you that stiffness. So you're going to need two of these. And these will be sewn right sides together. And then the interfacing will be sewn on the opposite side, and then that's going to make my brim, this brim will be more stable, so it's not going to be floppy. So that's what you need. Get the interface, and I'm going to get that cardboard paper from the Dollar Tree. So when I put it all together, because that'll be easier to sew on your sewing machine, let me show you the cardboard paper. I don't have a lot left, so I got to pick up some more. I'm sorry, I guess I don't have any more, guys. But it's not cardboard. It's actually the paper. So I don't want you to get the cardboard out of the dollar store. I want you to get the paper because that's what's going to give it the flatness. So the interfacing also is going to be ironed on. So I got to find the interfacing. I don't know which bag I put it in. So that's how you would clone your favorite hat. Bye-bye.